Ryobi 18-volt stick vac maintenance video for model numbers PCL720, PBLSV716, and PBLSV717. Emptying the dust cup. After each use, remove the dust cup from the stick vac by pressing down on the release button. Once the dust cup is removed, push the button at the bottom to dispose of the debris. Latch the dust cup back and attach it onto the stick vac. Removing the filter. Open the top of the dust cup and remove the filter by pulling on the blue mesh. Users can wash their filter with soapy water and must let it dry for at least 24 hours before use again. Once the filter is clean and dry, place back in the dust cup. Cleaning the filtration system. Push on the sides of the dust cup to remove the filtration system. Users should wipe out the filtration system to clean any dust or debris. Insert the filtration system back into the dust cup, latch the top and bottom lids, and attach it back to the stick vac. Removing the roller bars. Users can easily clean their roller bar to maintain maximum performance. For model number PCL720, take the coin and turn to the left until you see the unlock icon. Remove the roller bar, clean, and insert back into the head. Using the coin, turn to the right until it's locked into place. For model number PBLSV716, no coin is needed. Turn the green handle to the left and slide out the roller bar. Clean the bar and insert back into the head and turn to the right to lock it into place. For model number PBLSV717, take the coin and turn to the left for both roller bars. The brush roll has a scissor groove for easy hair removal, while the plush roll can be wiped out. Simply slide both bars in and lock into place. In summary, users should clean their dust cup, filter, filtration system, and roller bar often for maximum performance.